Hello, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search for Charleston Roofing, which is the number one keyword search that folks use when they're looking for their roofing needs in the Charleston area. And this is the first page that comes up, and at the top are of course some ads. This is what we call a map pack, and then the organic rankings start here, and you may notice some of your competitors. Charleston Roof, this is actually a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofs and Windows, and there's others, but I was looking for yours and found you on page 3 down here, and so went to your website and looked at it, and this is what came up. And you got a nice big picture there, and looks like got a little bit of content, not much, but limited amount on your website. So there's some things that you can do in order to increase your ranking, because the first page is where you want to be, and 80%, didn't know if you knew, but 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. And so we can get you there, and just wanted to point out a couple of things that you can keep in mind and change on your website to improve your rankings. Google basically is looking to trust a site. So the more they can trust your site, the higher they're going to rank you. Now, what are the ways that they can trust your site? I'm going to just point out one. There's several, but this one you can do on your own, or I can do for you. But they look at your heading tags and your title tags. And the heading tag, I put in your URL, and this is what came up as your number 1 heading: Welcome to Keating Roofing and Sheet Metal, which sounds nice as you, the owner, welcoming your customers. However, people that are searching for Charleston Roofing are not going to find you, because they're not searching Welcome to Keating Roofing. So you'd want that to be Charleston Roofing, and then a vertical line with the name of your company after it. And that way Google knows exactly what your site is about, and it will improve your rankings. The other thing is your metadata. We put that into an analyzer and extract it, and the title comes out as Keating Roofing and Sheet Metal Commercial Roof in Charleston. Now your title tag is the blue line right here, and the black line is your description. So the blue line, you would want that to be congruent with the heading title and read Charleston Roofing, the vertical line, and then Keating Roofing and Sheet Metal. That way Google will know exactly what your site's about. They'll know, it'll push you up in the rankings, get you closer to page 1. And again, there's some other things that we could do to help you out too. But anyway, thought that might help you. You can make those changes yourself, or I'd be glad to do it for you. If you got any questions, just feel free to reply to my email. Thank you.